Every generative AI project needs a generative BI project attached to it, because Gen AI on its own within the enterprise, it's a loose cannon, right? I think you have to have the generative BI that really understands how to get truth out of data and insight out of data to be able to be fed up into that other layer where people are asking whatever questions they're asking generally in the enterprise. Do you agree with that?
I think at the end of the day, it all comes down to trust. Because if you're a business user, and you don't trust the output of this thing, you're just not going to use it. So it all comes down to how do you, in an enterprise where there's lots of data, lots of similar concepts flying around, lots of ambiguity around, should you be looking in this area or this area? Should you be taking this approach or this approach? There's just tons of ambiguity. So the question isn't, can you answer the question sort of correctly all the time? The very definition of correct becomes difficult to near impossible inside of big organizations, even for talented humans who have been in the organization for a long time, because there's just a lot of ambiguity. So the question isn't, can I answer it, sort of magically correctly every time? It's how can I convey to a business person who doesn't understand SQL what approach I've taken, why I've taken that approach, pros and cons, other approaches I could have taken, conveying that in a really clear way that business users can actually trust. That is really the crux. That's the hardest part of making data understandable with AI.